Hey everyone, in this video we will learn the Rock Matter demo. Rocket Matter is a legal practice management software designed to help law firms stay organized and efficient. It offers features like time tracking, billing, case management, and document storage all in one platform. The interface is clean, simple, and easy to use, even for those who are not very tech-savvy. Law firms can get paid faster with built-in online payment tools and trust accounting features. Being backed by profitability means the software gets regular updates and strong customer support. It integrates smoothly with popular tools like QuickBooks, Microsoft Office, and Dropbox. The app allows users to manage cases, track time, and stay connected while on the go. Many users appreciate how it saves time and reduces the stress of day-to-day legal work. Customer service is known for being friendly, responsive, and helpful when questions come up. Overall, Rocket Matter is a smart and reliable choice for small to mid-sized law firms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.